The flower is the specialized organ of sexual reproduction in higher plants. Biologically, it is defined as a modified condensed shoot that develops in the axil of a small leaf-like structure called a bract. The primary axis starts with the pedicel, or stalk. The tip of this stalk is usually swollen into a base called the thalamus, or receptacle. This scheme shows floral parts arranged in 4 whorls on the thalamus: the calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. The inner male stamen has an anther and filament, while the female carpel contains the stigma, style, and ovary. Biologically speaking, every single component of this architecture is actually a modified leaf. Their specific physical arrangement on the thalamus is designed to facilitate the union of gametes. The calyx and corolla are known as accessory whorls. While they are non-reproductive, they perform essential supporting functions like protecting the inner organs and aiding in pollination. The calyx is the outermost whorl of sepals, while the corolla is the second whorl made of petals. If these parts are free from one another, they are described as polysepalous or polypetalous. If they are united, they are gamosepalous or gamopetalous. In many monocots, the calyx and corolla are indistinguishable from one another. This combined structure is called a perianth. Its individual leaves are termed polyphylous when free and gamophylous when united. Flowers are categorized by the presence of these whorls. A complete flower contains all 4. If one or more whorls are missing, the flower is described as incomplete. We can also classify flowers by their protective envelopes. Dichlamydious flowers have both a calyx and corolla, while monochlamydious flowers have only one accessory whorl. Flowers lacking both are called achlamydious or naked. These variations in whorl structure and protective layers are evolutionary responses to specific pollinators and environmental conditions. Floral symmetry is determined by the arrangement of these appendages. Actinomorphic flowers, like hibiscus, have radial symmetry and can be divided into equal halves along multiple planes. Zygomorphic flowers have bilateral symmetry, while asymmetric flowers cannot be divided equally along any vertical plane. A bisexual or perfect flower contains both stamens and a pistil. If only one of these essential whorls is present, it is unisexual. Plants are monoecious if they bear both male and female flowers, and dioecious if these flowers grow on separate plants. In some cases, the internodes of the receptacle elongate. An elongated internode between the calyx and corolla is called an anthrophore, while one between the corolla and the androecium is an androphore. This labeled cross-section provides a summary of the spatial relationship between all floral parts, from the sterile protective sepals to the fertile ovules housed within the ovary. Mastery of floral morphology, from symmetry to whorl distribution, is the fundamental requirement for plant identification. This anatomical knowledge is the basis for taxonomic classification in the WBCHSE